Hari Om children, I am Shutapa Biswas. Today I will teach you Science chapter 1.2 Plants. Here you can see a picture of a plant. A plant has many parts. What are the name of those parts? The name of those parts are root, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. Root remains under the soil. What is the function of root? Root hold the soil firmly in and keep the plant to stand. And another function of the root is it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Example of roots are radish, carrot, beetroot. Number 2, stem. What is stem? Stem is the part above the ground. Which part we can see is known as stem. Stem is the main part of the shoot. The stem helps the plant to stand erect. Erect means सीधा. It carries or what they do? Stem absorb water. Stem carry water and minerals which is absorbed by the roots and send them to leaves. Understand? Now here you can see the green color structure. These are leaves. Leaves are green in color. Why? Because they contain chlorophyll. And what is the function of leaves? Leaves are the food factory of the plant. Why? Because leaves make food for the plant. Because they are green in color, they contain chlorophyll. That's why they can make food for plant. Number 4 is flower. The most colorful part of the plant is known as flower. Mostly they are colorful. Why they are colorful? So that insect can be attracted by them and can sit on the flowers and help in pollination. At last, what is there? There is fruit. Fruit grows from the flower. And you have seen many seeds. Either one seed is one fruit in one fruit or many seeds are in one fruit. Can you say the name of one fruit which contain only one seed? Example, mango. And a fruit which have many seeds are maybe you can say watermelon, pumpkin. Okay. Here is the another slide. Types of plant with example. You can see different type of plants. Plants means पेड़ पौधे. We can see different type of plants. Some plants are very big. Some plants are very small. So plants are divided into 5 types. First of all, trees. Trees are very big plant. They have woody stem. That woody stem of the tree is known as trunk. Can you see the name? Can you say the name of tree? Banyan tree, neem tree. These trees are very tall. Second type of tree are shrubs. Shrubs have thin but woody stem, just like rose, tulsi, etc. Now there are three types of more plant: herbs, climbers, and creepers. They all have green colored stem, and their stem are very weak, not strong. Herbs are very small plant with green stem. They have very thin stem. For example, mint, coriander, all type of shag. You eat them. All those type of shag, you can say the herbs. Mint, coriander, grass. Grass means ghas. Next is climber. Some plants have a very thin, green and very soft stem, very weak stem. They cannot stand by themselves, so they take the help of another plant to climb up. This type of plants are known as climbers. For example, peas, beans, etc. Next are creepers. Creepers are those plants. They have also very thin, green and soft stem. They cannot stand erect, so they do not climb. Instead of, they are spread on the ground. This type of plants are known as creepers. For example, watermelon, cucumber, etc. You can see some plants are spread on ground, on your roof. For example, here are watermelon, cucumber, more are pumpkin. Okay. Here is the another slide. Here I have explained what is aquatic plant, what is xerophytic plant, what are alpine trees. Okay. So diversity in plants. In this way, we can see different type of plants. They are different because they grow in different soil, in different climate. According to the climate or soil, we can divide the plants into three types here. Aquatic plants. Some plants grow in water only, are called aquatic plants. Example, water lily, lotus. Okay. Next is xerophytic plants. Plants grow in deserts are called xerophytic plants. Desert means Registan, where we can see the soil are in sand, is in the form of sand. Example, cactus, babul. Next is alpine tree. Alpine trees grow in hilly areas. Hilly means पहाड़ी इलाका. हिली एरियाज मीन्स पहाड़ी इलाका. पहाड़ों पे which plants grow in hilly areas are called alpine trees. For example, pine, kedar, etc. This type of trees have conical shaped leaves. They are themselves are conical in shape, so that snow will fall off. Usefulness of plant. Can you say the name of 5 things which we get from plant? Of course you can say. Here are some usefulness of plant. I have written here. What are these? From plant we get oxygen. Plant take carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen when they make their food by photosynthesis. Second point is plants give us food like cereals. Cereals means anaj. Fruits, vegetables, pulses also. Pulses means dal. Next point, plants give us wood. Wood means lakri. We get wood and we make furniture, buildings from this wood. Plants gives us oil like mustard oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, etc. Plant give us medicine, rubber, spices. Medicine means dawai, rubber, spices means masale, perfumes mean sugandhi, etc. Plants which have been produced by technology by hybridization are called new plants. Some new plants we can see now in our home or to decorate our house. This type of plants do not grow by themselves. These are grown by technology of hybridization, are called new plants. They are also called bonsai. Some plants you have seen called bonsai. They are not so tall for like actually mango tree. Okay, but in small tree we can see some mangoes are grown. Here are some important questions. This is very important. Do you know which plant's root we eat? Example is carrot and radish. Which plant's stem we eat? Potato, onion, ginger, etc. Which plant's leaves that we eat? Mint, coriander, spinach, etc. Which plant's flower we eat? Cauliflower, broccoli, etc. Okay, for now, this is taught. You have to see the video again and again, and you have to try the video, try the content to understand. Okay, till then, bye. Thank you.